Hi, Dr. Mejia with Jupiter Dermatology and Hair Restoration. Today is World Hair Transplant Repair Day, and I'm joined by physicians all over the world. We're providing services to patients that have been affected by the black market operation or illegal delegation to technicians that are unlicensed. And what's happening is that, unfortunately, plastic surgeons, ENTs, and doctors, even in my state of Florida, are not even doing the surgery and allowing the medical assistants to do the surgery, which is illegal. So today we're doing an FUE case, and your experience visiting clinics in Florida has been what?
Yeah, I consulted with a few different clinics, and it seemed like the doctor wasn't even going to be doing the procedure. It was going to be done by the technician, so I did not feel comfortable.
And that is what's happening, unfortunately, in Florida. Even well-respected ENT plastic surgeons are basically just saying, here, my medical assistants are going to do the surgery. So do your research, choose a physician that specializes in this procedure and that is actually going to be hands-on doing the actual surgery. Because in Florida, it's illegal to delegate surgery to a medical assistant, even under supervision.